Hello, it's Bill. I'm on a road I don't know what I'm on, but we have another train, and it's a short one, and he's starting to pick up some good speed. It's probably the Post Falls one. 2620 lead locomotive. I love when they do that. All right, let's see if we can get him again. I think we might have a Westbound, but it might be the remote controlled engines we have. Well, that was short. What a bummer that is. Oh well. Well, there we go. A short one. I can't get enough of it today. I just don't know what it is. Got a new chip for the camera. But there she goes. But everybody take good care of yourself, okay? Bill out.